the hem, the side seam, and enter the faces. Sometimes we may search here, depending on the style, if you can take a search or something, we can just do this all in one and search together. So in that case, you search right around except the arm. Right?
Or I can search together.
You can search something, I'll click on that. The search in just have a using 24 inches zip. Put this together. Right? You measure down. Always measure 1 inch shorter than length of the zip, right? To avoid stitching on the nickel. It gives you room to work with. Those are hidden zips are different, they will give you room to work with. Right? Right? And then, now you have to search it, right? You're going to put you make sure this lines up with this. What you want, you need to get this here even. Right, so that is it. No, it don't always happen. I'll be honest with you, it don't always happen. But like some people just want to pin it. Right? 1 inch stitch from here all the way down. Do not tack. You don't tack up here. Don't tack. And when you reach your 23, 24, after you reach here and you come here, then you tack from here, go down. You tack here and go down. You don't tack. You go down and you stitch all the way down. But very simple. Right? Front piece of open this here. Make sure you're not matching back. In all the case, pin it. Up to my case. So. And same thing, half inch stitch all the way around, notch, turn over, and then stitch, right? Control your machine, make sure you stitch really even. Hold the cloth in your hand. When you reach the sharp curve, you put the notches a little closer. A little sharpness like this. Yeah, I was cutting in the middle here, those didn't trouble to cut, I don't know. Okay. That's because when the fabric cross and you stretch, it's barely hard to cut. But you got the center back this and fix them back on it.